Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So we are now progressing well with the customized functions, which any user can make it. Means all you need to have is a bit of understanding of VBA. How does it work? So we have explained you in our previous video that how you can and go on with this and how you start developing your own functions, and your functions will be used just as the Excel ordinary functions, normal function. You use sum, average, or min, or max, or things like that. So you develop your own function, and you write a bit of code in it, in which you tell that what are the bases of these of my function. So these are the two bases. First of one is the transaction date. The other is the product, and then it goes to your table, which you have mentioned in the code, that it is going to get the desired information by looking up into this and figure out which sale price is going to be correct for this criteria. So it is determining it. Okay. Similarly, for the last month, you use the same function. No separate formula. All you need to do is for the date, the last date. Previous in here you were using the transaction date. This time you are going to use the other cell in which the date for the last month is given, right? So all you need to do is just change the reference, the cell reference for the last month, where you have the last month date, and the same function is going to work for you, and it will get back with the result, right? So it is putting here as a space because it is in last month to this on the basis of this date, means on this date there was no such product in the market. That's why it is black, right? Excuse me. So this is done, and we are now going to explain you what is this function all about and how does it work. Very simple. The function starts with a command function and it terminates with the end function. That's it. And this is a common procedure we have written, which is going to be used on each and every time when you use this one. So you have, these are thousands of rows in which you have put this formula, and for every of them, it is using it and getting the respective result, right? The first thing it does that it sets up an objective which is called pricing condition. This is meant for pricing condition table, which is located in the TP sheet, right? Sheet TP A1 to E49 is the okay. So you can also make it here, the LRs, to get the LR. LR is equal to, for example, you can use this one, like, yeah, this one. This, and here you can use the special cells, yeah, the special cells, and then there is a thing. So in order to be precise, you can get it from the code which we already used, like this, right? So we copy it. So no need to remember, memorize, or worry about that what is the code, but you know, at least you should know that there is a function which brings the last row of the sheet, right? Okay, so what we do here, we put this thing here, right? And this is going to be sheet TP, right? Control C and run. So this will get a last row, and we will remove this hard coding of it, so that it adjusts each time a new item is added in the TP pricing condition table. So we will put an and sign here and use LR. That's it. So this is how it is going to work out, the LR, and no 49 is mentioned in here. Let's see that it works. Yeah, let's press F2 to re-energize the formula. Yeah, it works, right? It works, and if we copy it here like this, so these all are working. So we were discussing that the first thing it does, it sets up the pricing condition object with a range and specified in the TP sheet. So it is going to look this table and bring the respective desired price figure. Okay, so it will each time it will start from the row 1 and it will carry on until the X that is 1 at the moment is less than or equal to the total count of the rows of this pricing condition. So 49 was there, so 49. If 50, then it will so on. Okay. At the same time, the product is not equal to this, so that it reaches. If as soon as the product is equal to, means this product is equal to the pricing conditions product, then it should exit, and it will start from it until the product is continued, right? Because these are sorted, right? So what we do here is that if so it reaches to the starting point of the pricing condition for the said product, then it is checking the TR, right? The TR is the date, the transaction date, which it has used, right? So the TR, the transaction date, if it is greater than or equal to the from date, this is from date, and that is the second column of the price, and the third column is to date, right? If you say, you see, this is the from date, this is second column, and to date means validity date is the third column. So that's why we are using 2 and 3 here. Hey, if it is gray, if it falls within this, it will leave this loop, and it will again check to be on safe side that it has the same product, right? If the product is the same, then it will give. Otherwise, it means it did not find any price for this, and it is going to put blank in it. And that's how it has completed the process. So this is the common procedure. Wherever the formula is going to use, whether it is the current price or the last month price, the same thing is going to be used. All you need to do is make the change that which date you want to this to base. The price is going to be based on this product and this date for the last month. The price is here, whereas in here, this price is going to be based on this product and this transaction date. So let's verify. So this is 7th of July, right? And the last month is 7th of June. So let's go and see for the alpha products. 7th of July, 7th of June was a starting point, and until infinity date means it is going to bring 12.87 no matter means there is no more so only one price will come, or the space in case of uh, the date outside the life cycle of the product. Okay, so let's change the product. See another product like Charlie. Okay, the Charlie product has let's see, it is calculating. Okay, so okay, as soon as it finishes, and or we can still go and see. So what are the two dates? These are the two dates, the two pricing conditions. First one is 7 June to 31st July, right? So this was 12, and then the price was upgraded to 14, right? It was updated. So 12.82, and from 1st of August onwards, it is 14.5, only two prices. Okay, so let's see. This is the July, right? So let's go and see what is the day. This is the formula. Okay, so let's put an enter here. So it is since it is the 1st of this is 11th of July 2000. So it is not bringing the date. Okay, 11th of July. 11th of July falls between this, right? It should bring 12 here. So let's figure out what went wrong, right? 7th of July should it is not bringing the see. Okay, so let's see what well, maybe it is let me check it. I found the problem. I identified it that the correction is required on this line, in which the LR is to be calculated like this. Means go to, by this we are saying go to the TP sheet and take from A1000 10,000. So from there you go to N Excel up, means control up. So whatever is the row, so take that row as the last row of the pricing condition table, right? So this is how it is going to work, and let's see. So we press enter here, we change it, and let's see. Yeah, so it has brought this information, and we use the same thing here. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so Charlie has all these prices for the July and the June the same thing. And as soon as it enters into August, it has a new price. Let's verify it. Yes, as soon as it crosses the 1st of August, it has a new price. That is 14.54, right? 14.54, right? Whereas in the before that, it had this price. That's right. Okay. So let's check one more product just to ascertain that the things are going as expected. Yes, this is the M. Product M has how many? Let's go and see what is there are two conditions. 1st of July until 30th of November is $12, and from there onwards it is $13.39. Okay, $12, 12.53, and $13. Okay, 1st of July. Okay, 1st of July, 12. Okay, and as soon as it crosses December, let's get back to the bottommost one. Oh, it is until in November. So let's temporarily change it so that we ascertain that it is changing. Let's say 30th of December, what would be the price? So it has changed, right? $13.39. Otherwise, previous month, the same time was $12. Let's verify. Yes, this is $13.39, right? And $12.50, 528. Okay, 12.528 and 13. That's it. Okay, so this is the way we we can develop our own functions very easily, and these are going to work as the other functions work in Excel, right? So thank you very much for joining me and supporting my channel. Thanks a lot, and I look forward to your participation and support in future. So stay tuned to my channel, please. Thank you.